the hell? How does that even happen?
Oh my god, are you guys okay?
Just had a commercial bobtail lose it on the bridge. He's now on the berm here at the 213. I will check for injuries. I don't think he rolled it. He'll probably drive away.
He's right, he's at the 213.
I just had another 31 here involving an SUV. I now have the eastbound lane blocked.
That's not how this works. That is also not how this works. We'll go back this way.
Good luck today. Gdyby należało do tego świata, mężczyzn
kidding me? Seriously? You're gonna flip me off? What? I got out of your way, dude.
هذيك النيت انا على الشيطان قول له سير قول له سير انا على الشيطان انا على الشيطان والله صاحبي يا والمرضي ايه عندي كاميرا شادة كل شيء عندي كاميرا شادة
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit.